Our world is a masterpiece. Vast green forest, flowing rivers, endless oceans, a delicate balance full of life and wonder. But this balance is breaking. Fires consume our forests. Floods wash away homes. Lands turn to deserts. Plastic fills our oceans. This is not the future. This is now. And time is running out. But we still have a choice. Every action matters. Every choice shapes tomorrow. Together,